Good morning, students. I hope you all are well. We are starting with exercise 7a. I told you last time I told you that we will do examples, and in the next lecture we will start exercise 7a. So exercise 7a we are starting today. Please girls, do not forget to write date. You do not write date and you just start your work. Please mention the date, exercise and page number. Then you will copy question number 1, which is on page number 74. An art dealer sold a painting for rupees 150,000 at a loss of 20%. So they had given us selling price on which the art dealer sold the painting. They had given us loss, which is 20%. He sold the painting for loss. Okay, he get loss by selling painting at 150,000. How much did he buy the painting for? Buy the painting for is telling us that we have to calculate cost price here. Okay, so now we will make the data in this way. The first thing you will do, you will make the data. Give heading data. You will write selling price is given 150,000, loss is given 20%, loss percentage is given to you. Cost price is question mark. Here I have written loss also. How I come to know that loss is also question mark? Because in question they had given 20%. It means loss amount is not given to you. You have to calculate loss amount first. Okay, if in the question they had given you percentage, then your first thing will be to find out the loss amount or profit amount. Okay, now please remember that you have to keep all the formulas right in front of you. I hope you have written formulas in the beginning. Whenever you are doing these questions, keep all the formulas right in front of you. I have to calculate cost price. So I will go back to my formulas and I will see which formula I will use. Here, these are the formulas. So which formula I will use? I can see I have to calculate cost. I have to calculate cost price. So which formula shall I use in all of these? I will use this formula. Cost price in case of loss, because I know that in my question the art dealer has gained a loss of 20%, so I will choose this formula, cost price in case of loss. Cost price is equals to selling price plus loss. Now you can see in the formula only they had given loss, and I do not know loss because in question 20% loss is given to you. Okay, so first thing you will do, you have to find out loss. You will write down formula, which is the original formula over here. Cost price in case of loss over here. Cost price is equals to selling price plus loss. I know selling price, I do not know loss. For this I have to work. So I will write first we will find loss by converting loss percentage into amount. Now I will write the formula. I will see the formula for loss, how to calculate loss. Now come back to your formulas again. Number 10, to convert loss percentage into loss, the formula is loss percentage of cost price. So I will write here my formula, loss is equals to 20% of cost price. Now again, cost price I do not know. For this I will write, suppose cost price is X. Up till yet I do not know. I will calculate, but first I have to find my loss, which I am working for. Now 20% means that 20, if I have to remove this percentage sign, I will divide it by 100. Okay, when I have to put percentage sign, I multiply by 100, and when I have to remove this percentage sign, I will divide by 100. Of means multiply. Cost price, I suppose that this is X. Okay, now I will reduce 0, cancel from 0, 2 1s are 2 5s are. Okay, now this 1 is multiplying with this X because numerator multiply with numerator. So loss is X upon 5. It means I got my loss amount, which is X upon 5. X is here cost price, but I do not know what is the cost price till yet. Later when I will solve by this formula, I will come to know what is the loss. So here I have calculated the loss amount, which is X upon 5. Now I will simply use my this formula, which is cost price is equals to selling price plus loss. I will substitute the values which is given in the question. Cost price is X, which I supposed myself. I will write here also. Selling price 150,000 plus loss I calculated, which is X upon 5. Now after substituting the value, I will bring X on one side of the equation. X, this is in plus, I will shift this to this side and it will become minus. X upon 5 is equals to 150,000. Okay, now I have to calculate value of X. When I will calculate value of X, definitely I will come to know cost price, because X is here equal to cost price. So this is in denominator, there is 1. Whenever there is plus or minus in between, I take LCM. 1 and 5 LCM is 5. 5 goes in 1 times table. How many times? 5 times. 5 goes in 5 times table 1 times. X multiplied by 5 gives me 5x minus X multiplied by 1 gives me X is equals to 150,000. Now 5x minus X gives me 4x upon 5 is equals to 150,000. This 5 will go over there, it will multiply. 4x is equals to 150,000 multiplied by 5. And X will remain over here. Again this 4 is multiplying with X. After equal to, when it will be shift, it will be divided upon 4. Now we will do cancellation. 4 ones are 4, 4 3s are 12, 2 is left, 3 is left, 4 7s are 28, 2 is left, 4 5s are 20, 0 0 will come up. This 3,7500 will multiply with this 5, and answer is, after multiplying in rougher column, you will see the answer is 18,750. This is your answer. You will write your answer in the form of a statement. You will write cost price. Please make sure you are writing down. Of painting is 18,750. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Now I am doing next question.